go. Oh, that.
Coke in the blue boxes, Earl Dibbles on the boom box, and A-frame on a Chevy rocking side to side. My grip on a dirt road, couple buddies saying let's go. Gonna burn that barn right down to the ground tonight. Raise them up to the sky if you're trying to throw down. Get a little country fade and take it way on out. Park your truck in the line if you're looking for a buzz, and the girls in love with the boys in the blue collars. Holler. Doubled up rocking 2 flags, GEO glory strapped to the top of the head rack, rolling in the night. Tin can full of kerosene poured out on a pile of trees. Step back, struck a match, and watch that Friday night. Raise them up to the sky if you're trying to throw down. Get a little country fade and take it way on out. Park your truck in the line if you're looking for a buzz, and the girls in love with the boys in the blue collars. Holler. Get the fuse lit, crack a can, take a long sip. Red man, get the pouch rip, got a whole thing, I'm packing both lips. Jumping up on a tailgate, popping off like a 12 gauge. I don't care what the city boys say, we where the party is, and that's damn right. Raise them up to